And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Hey pretty girls with the popping curls, you are back here at Such a Joy. I am Joy, and my mouth is numb right now. I didn't think this through before I made a video. But anyway, oh, my mouth is numb. Why did I do this? Okay, I just wanted to let y'all know, because some people are probably like, we came to her channel to watch her do her own hair, and now she's doing other people's hair too. So I just want to let y'all know I'm not going to stop doing my hair. When I do my hair, mine are going to be tutorials, like, or me testing out products or whatever. Now when I do these other videos, when I'm doing like other people's hair, those ones are like visual ASMR video. So basically, if you're not familiar with what those are, it's like well, basically you're just watching something and it gives you like a type of feeling, and it's like, oh wow, like, I don't know how to describe it, but like a lot of people watch, like, people like, maybe you watch them like a junky room turn into a clean room, and you watch it like speed up, go fast, them cleaning up, or you watching somebody some like people with natural hair get like blowouts or whatever, so you can get their hair straightened and like see the beginning to the end. So I decided that I don't see this much on YouTube, so I was like, let me try. And I want to do like natural hairstyles, so doing somebody's hair from before their hair is like defined or whatever, so you see their hair at the beginning and you see it at the end, the finished product or whatever the style is, whether you're familiar with that type of style, whatever, or different hair types and densities or whatever. So I keep saying whatever. But anyway, so I just want to let you guys know nothing has changed on the channel. I'm just adding something else to it, and I'll be constantly like adding different things that I want to do. Because like if you look at the beginning of my channel, like when a video first starts, you can see it says fitness, hair, and lifestyle. So I'll be adding like lifestyle videos as I see fit. And fitness, okay, y'all know I had started telling y'all about my Herbalife journey, and then yeah, I don't know, I never came back, and I had lost a lot of weight, and then yeah, I never finished it. But anyway, that's not what we're talking about. But that is what those videos are about, and I hopefully I can do like different, you know, different hair types, because I have friends, so like everybody have like a different hair type, either or hair density. And yeah, so I'll be trying out, like, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing like a bunch of different styles, because y'all know I'm the twist out and braid out queen, so that's what I'll be doing a lot of. Or like maybe like a mini twist on different heads, but so it might be some of the same stuff, but it'll be on like different hair types, so yeah, or different lengths and everything. So yeah, I mean, if you're not into that, then you know you don't have to watch it. So you know, I'm not making you. But if you are into that, then that's what we'll be doing. And I hope you guys enjoy those videos, and stay tuned, because I'm still gonna have some more videos of me doing my own hair. Hope you guys like the mini twist video. My hair has been up most of the time. Yesterday, well, I had my hair down, but the front of them were like real crusty, but I redid the front row, so let me let y'all see that. So yeah, so I redid the front row, make it a little bit less crusty, even though I plan on taking them out this week. But it was really easy to redo that front row. I didn't even have to add any product, because like when I took my twists out, for some reason, like if I put too much product on the front of my hair, it'll sit there, whereas the back I can put how much product I want to and it soak it up. But anyway, so when I took the twist out, it was like product sitting right there, and when I put water on it, rubbed it down, activated it, and all I did was twist these front, however many is in the front. But yeah, so I didn't want this to be a long video. It's not supposed to be a long video. I just want to let you guys know, like, why I'm adding these new videos or whatever, and so I can get you know, content out to y'all and do something that you're here for. You are here for natural hair, so yeah. And so I can get better at perfecting my natural hair craft. And so, because I feel like the natural girls don't get like as much love as they should in the salons. so I'm bringing it to my house. Not really, because I'm only gonna be doing like a little bit of people, because I'm not really a hairstylist. Don't want to be, you know. Like, I shout out to all hairstylists, because like the time that y'all take, because my feet be hurting. Oh, shout out to y'all. But I'm only gonna be doing like select people, select things, select styles, and yeah. So that is going to be the end of this video. I mean, I would say I hope you guys liked it, but it wasn't really like a content type of video, just an update. But still, make sure you like this video, because the lighting is popping. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. Different I told y'all my mouth is numb. Different hairstyles you guys would like. And the side of my tongue is numb too, so anyway. Different hairstyles you guys would like to see, or different products you would like to see be used. And that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you share this video so we can keep growing this curly girl fam. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him. Now